Hello friends, welcome to the Vicky Notes tutorial. This dbms tutorial will help you to learn the concept of dbms from basic. ER diagram, introduction. An entity relationship model is generated through a diagram that is known as entity relationship diagram, which constitutes of various symbols with the help of which entities, attributes and relationships are represented diagrammatically. Each of these components has a separate notation. Let's discuss them together. Entity. The entity is denoted through a rectangle. These rectangles are named according to the names of entities. For example, let the entities be company, class, loan and cost, then they will be represented as weak entity. When attributes of an entity are not capable of determining the entity uniquely, it is called as weak entity. Weak entity is denoted through a double rectangle. For example, in a bank branch can be deduced as a weak entity as its attributes are not enough to determine it uniquely. Relationship. The relationship in an entity relationship diagram is denoted through a diamond. For example, a person works in a company can be described using a relationship as. Thank you so much friends for watching my video lectures.